Okay, ladies, today I'm going to show you how to do a seated dumbbell overhead tricep extension. I know, another big mouthful for you. So many of you ladies ask about how to tighten up your triceps. It's one of the trouble zones. So this exercise is great for isolating the tricep muscles, really tighten up jiggle you may have under your arms. So this is how you do it. You get in a seated position, pull your waist in nice and tight, again, because you don't have the back support, so you want to make sure that you're really engaging your core, your chest is up and your shoulders are back. Using the dumbbell, you want to place your hands almost in a diamond position, okay? A lot of times you'll see girls do it this way. I really want you to take the time to create that diamond so that you're wrapping your fingers around the dumbbell. It's a much more comfortable grip, and because you're able to wrap your fingers around and they're not stacked like that, you can actually start to lift heavier, and you'll actually find that there's less strain on your elbows, okay? Because you're using a much better angle when you're lifting the dumbbell. So again, interlock those fingers, cross them over, cross the hands over a nice diamond shape, grabbing the dumbbell, big inhale, lift up over your head. So from here, you're going to keep your elbows not too tucked in, and you don't really want to exaggerate how much they're tucked in. You don't want to flare them out either. You want to keep them almost sort of neutral. Again, chest up, shoulders back. You're going to drop that dumbbell down for a full extension of your tricep and extend up for a squeeze at the top. So 3, 2, 1, lower, press when you come up. 3, 2, 1, and press. What happens is, as you get tired and the dumbbell gets heavier, you're going to flare those elbows out. So it's really important that if you have a mirror, you do this in front of the mirror so you can really make sure that when you're coming and looking at yourself from the front, you're not flaring your elbows out. So you press up, 3, 2, 1. You see how my elbows are not going out. They're staying nice and tucked into the side. 3, 2, 1, press up. The other thing you want to be mindful of is making sure that your chest is up. You want to create a big distance between your chin and your chest. So when you drop that dumbbell down, you're not tucking your chin in. You're looking straight ahead, neutral spine, and pressing straight up. Really be mindful of that as well. And that is a seated dumbbell overhead tricep extension.